Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today I want to teach you how to make a 3D text like this one. For 3D text, you need Element 3D plugin. For started, add your text and set the settings, size and font like me. Cut the extra part with Ctrl Shift D. Now press Ctrl Y to create a black solid. Cut the extra parts. Drag the element effect onto the solid you created and turn off your text. Go to Effect Control and from the Custom Layers section, select your text. Now enter the element effect and from the top add the text. Set the values exactly like mine. From the Environment section, choose Basic 2K10. To change the text color, go to this section and choose your desired color. Finally, click OK. Now we need to apply our desired animation to the text. So go to Group 1, and then Particle Look, and now check Multi-Object. Now add a keyframe for this option and set the value like me. Go to Animation Engine. Check this option and from Animation Type choose Radial. Add a keyframe and set its value to 100. Move a bit forward and now set it to 0. Go to the end of the layer and set particle size to 15. Select all keyframes and press F9. Go to the graph editor and adjust the curve like me. Now press T and add keyframes for opacity as well. Add the effects Fractal Noise, Scan Lines, Deep Glow, Drop Shadow, and S-Rays in order and set them like mine. from the same animation type section, you can choose different animation modes for your text. Thanks for watching.